Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm so excited to try out another product from the brand M2U NYC. And this is a brand that's pretty new to me, but it's become one of my favorite brands. I think they just make incredible products for such great prices. So this is the eye primer and I got it in the full size in my October 2021 Ipsy glam bag, which by the way, if you have not seen that unbagging video yet, I'll have that linked in the description down below. But this only retails for $8. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free. It claims to make it so your eyeshadows never cake, crease, smudge, or run. And I think eyeshadow primers are essential for me because I have a lot of lines in my eyelids, so eyeshadows will definitely tend to crease on me. I also have discoloration that I like to cover up, and I got this in the shade Nude. Also, with certain eyeshadows, like this palette here, eye primers can make such a difference. So whenever I try out eyeshadow primers now, I try them out with the Tartist Pro palette because this eyeshadow palette seriously has like no color payoff without a primer, but with a good primer, they actually look like good eyeshadows. So I'm only going to apply this primer to one of my eyes so that we can compare the difference. Ooh, and I like that it has this doe foot applicator. Okay, and I'm just going to, whoa, that has a lot of pigment. I'm actually not going to go in with too much, but now I'm going to blend it out with my finger all over the lid. Wow, this is definitely pigmented and it feels sticky. It's thick and definitely like the stickiest feeling eye primer I have ever tried, which is probably a really good thing. And okay, I think a little goes a long way, but look at the coverage that gives my eyelid as well, canceling out discoloration. Look at my mascara. Smudge on my under eye though. Okay, so with it versus without it, it like seriously feels a little bit like glue. Although it's not super sticky. I think just as I was blending it out, I was noticing how sticky it is, but I mean, it's definitely tacky, but it's not super sticky now that it's had a little time to set. It does say to blend it out and then wait a few seconds before applying the eyeshadow. And what I actually want to do is apply the eyeshadow to the eye without the primer first so that I'm not mixing in any primer with the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to pick up, I think I'll pick up like a shade that I know we can see. I'll do this purple one. I'm not really going to create an eyeshadow look. I'm just going to apply this all over the lid so we can test out the primer. So just going to blend this all over the lid, and seriously, like look how dull and lacking pigment this is. It's this purple shade here, which is like a kind of darker tone of purple, and it looks just like a wash of sheer color, just like a barely there tint. And I am not using a light hand. I am dipping back in. This is the third time I'm dipping back in. So like if you tried this eyeshadow palette out without a primer, you'd be like, this is terrible. It almost like, it looks brown on my eye too. But okay, now I'm gonna pick up same color, same brush, and I'm trying to just like pick up the same amount, and let's see what happens. Immediately you can see such a color difference and difference in how much pigment shows up, and it's blending pretty easily on this primer as well. Even though it's a sticky primer, the shade, it definitely still blends out nicely. Go ahead and pick up a little more. yeah, like this looks like a decent eyeshadow. It has decent pigment. It's looking more purple, true to color, how it looks in the pan. And it's looking smooth. Okay, so here you can see with the primer versus without it, it definitely made a difference. It really made the eyeshadow show up so much brighter, so much more pigmented, and it looks like smooth, even color, no creasing. I am very happy with it, and for only $8. The eyeshadow primer that I use all the time is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, which cost $24. And I think this $8 eye primer from M2U NYC is just as good, if not better, because it's even stickier than the eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay. So I will definitely continue using this M2U primer. I think it worked so well. I seriously have not tried out an M2U NYC product that did not impress me. Like every single product that I've tried out, I love. So if you have any recommendations for other M2U NYC products that you like, please let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.